Most people with money have one single problem, and that is cash. You see, when you begin to grow as an investor, when your wealth begins to grow, when your income begins to stack, your problem is no longer your ability to earn. Your problem is your ability to multiply. In this video, I want to show you exactly how to take your income, okay, your savings, whether that's 10, 20, 50, $100,000 more, and turn it into your own personal wealth machine. A machine that makes money for you while you sleep, so you can start working hard for your money and let your money work hard for you. Let's get into it. Okay, let's hop straight into it, okay? I don't have time for fluff. I want to give you exactly what you need in this video to succeed. As somebody who's made a lot of cash over his career and currently making cash now through different ventures and through the markets, one thing I realized, and you've probably realized it too, that having a lot of money doesn't increase your feeling of safety. Matter of fact, the more money you make that you cannot recognize or account for, the more nervous you feel. Why? Because at least when you felt like you didn't have money or weren't making a lot of it, you felt like, oh, I just need to make more money. But now you make more money, but your wealth is not growing. What really is the problem here? And I'm not going to give you general advice like buy assets. No. What you need to do is install a wealth building system into your financial picture. Guys, what you guys need to realize early on is that there are three different ways to build wealth, okay, and three different systems that are involved here. You usually have, number one, your cash flow system, or what I call your income system, okay? Then you should have your multiplication system, and then your legacy system, okay? And what I realize is a lot of times we fix the income part of our money, but never learn about the multiplication and legacy part. And there are three different systems that work together to build wealth. And the issue you're going to realize that one out of the three is not good enough to get you where you want to go. So we speed up our rate of return. We speed up how fast we get to wealth. So what you're going to realize is one out of the three systems is not good enough to get you to where you want to go. So we speed up how fast we multiply our cash. We speed up the rest of the systems by knowing exactly what levers to pull and when. So once you start generating income, once you have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, $100,000 in savings, the picture changes for you completely. You no longer should be evaluating opportunities based on the income it's producing you. You now should be evaluating opportunities based on the income your money is producing in that situation. I'll give you a perfect example. If I'm bringing in cash and I have, let's say, 50K in savings or my 401k, whatever, I'm not no longer going to look for part-time work or an additional side hustle or get overtime or pick up another contract. That's what you need. That's not what you need to do. What you first need to figure out is make your nest egg, your 50K, your 100K that you have stacked in cash, produce money for you at a rapid pace. Okay, what do I mean by a rapid pace? Let's look at it. Number one, the Treasury of the United States. If you borrow money to the United States government, they will usually give you 3% a year if you keep your money with them for like 10 years, okay? Then you look at a high-yield savings account. That's going to pay you about 4% a year if you leave your money there and you don't touch it. But what I'm teaching you guys is how to use options to give yourself 4 to 10% a month on your money, okay? Where your money now starts to speed up. So if somebody has their money in a treasury bond, or they have their money in a high yield savings account, or even if they have their money in the 401k, a 401k gives you like 10% a year, 8 to 10% a year. This is monthly, 4 to 10% a month. This is a year, this is a year, this is a year. So literally what people are making in returns in a year, when you're making that in a month, your wealth is literally growing 12 times their wealth on your cash. You're not doing the work. You're not starting a new side hustle or a new venture. Your cash is literally the opportunity, the vehicle that's making the cash for you. And I cannot stress this enough. So what you're going to do is sell options on your cash where your 50K will generate you somewhere from 4K to $7,500 a month in free cash flow. Now, mind you, what you're using for income is still there. Whether that's your business profits, whether that's your job, whatever that is, you're still making money from that. But then your money is generating another $400 to $7,500 a month in cash flow. That money gets added to the top line. This is how your wealth starts to compound over time very quickly, and your wealth starts to grow 12 times more. At a certain point, you get to a point where your cash flow from your cash, not what you're doing at work, not what you're doing in your business, where the cash flow from your cash can start to build wealth by itself. I'll give you an example of what I did. For example, let's say you have 150K in cash, okay, or your 401K, whatever the case may be. You sell options against it, and that 150K is producing you anywhere from 15K to 25K a month. Guess what? That's a down payment on a house. Your cash is literally printing you a house every single month. So I bought a house in Ohio for $87,500. The down payment on it was about 14K. All in after closing costs, everything, I think I was all in like 19,000 in this, in cash. That property was generating, after expenses, whatever the case may be, it was generating about $300 a month in cash flow. Remember now, I'm still generating this 15 to 25K every single month with my cash by selling options. Now I have real estate generating me $300 a month in additional cash, and then I'm getting the appreciation of the real estate itself. The reason I'm able to do this is that I'm compounding money at a rate 12 times faster than everybody else. Why? Because my cash flow engine is not just me and my labor. My cash flow engine now includes my cash. By the way, to generate this $4K to $7,500 in cash every single month with 50K, I'm doing a mix of cash secured puts and iron condors. I have a lot of videos on both of these strategies inside of my YouTube. I'll go and check out those videos. I'll put the link below. But I 100% advise you for you guys to lock in on this, okay? And I sometimes host free live trainings on these as well. You can check the links below. Here's another thing. That cash that you're generating, now that you're generating cash to build wealth, but also increase your cash flow, you need to start multiplying that money even faster. How do we do this? By buying skip and leap options for multiplication and safety. So not only am I making 4 to 7K a month with my 50K in cash, I can buy real estate with that. That will be in the legacy system. Real estate, businesses, peer lending, syndications. Syndications is when other people are buying big real estate or big deals, and then you're putting your money in it. So it's completely passive for you. You're not the one managing properties. I have friends that do this. You give them the money, they buy the 100, 200, 300 apartment units, and you're just getting the cash flow, okay? So now you're generating cash flow in your legacy system, and then you can put some cash in your multiplication system, okay? And what we do with this is that we buy options. One of my favorite strategies for this is the quad 4 method. The quad 4 method is when options become cheaper. There's a phenomenon known as quad witching, where 4 times a year, options become cheaper, and you can buy options like literally every quarter, and pretty much double your money. This is a very ninja strategy that it seems to be lost in time, that was very, very popular and very, very profitable in 2018, 2019, 2020. And people have been doing it since then, just quietly. I would learn how to do that. Matter of fact, I have a video on the quad four strategy, and I will check that out next here. Okay. If you haven't checked it out yet, I would definitely watch that. But those are the things that I do with my 50K. I make my cash a cash flow engine by selling options. I make my cash a cash flow engine by selling options on them. I now take the proceeds and put it in my multiplication account and my legacy account. Okay. I have a whole playlist in multiplication. Literally, there's a video that I show on how I make 30K a month by literally buying options multiplication. I'll probably link that video next here. That's what I'll watch next. And then the legacy system, how to actually multiply your profits further. I'll probably do another video on that if you guys comment below. Hope that helps, guys. Happy scaling. That's exactly what I would do with cash in the bank. Screw the 401k, screw the high yield savings account. I'm going to make money 4 to 12 times faster than you because I know one simple skill that takes me 3 minutes a week. It's called selling cash secured puts, okay? Check the links below. Keep watching those trainings. The multiplication system video I will put up here for you guys to watch how I made 30K a month and my students did the same thing. And I'll see you on the next one. Chat soon.